Hi, it's Fias Taro. Okay, so ayusin lang natin ng kaunti. Ayan, okay. So, okay na ba? So, okay na yan. So, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction. Goodbye. Okay, so let's see. You can check your other placements if you want to. And yeah, kung may tanong po, no, message lang po kayo pagdating sa private reading, okay, sa ating mga items. So, ito sila. Okay, andyan sila. Yeah, yung ating bago. So, hindi pa ata nakikita ng iba. So, ito siya. 4 cord cutting. Okay, may mga stones siya sa likod. Okay, so medyo bulky. Pero, yeah, you can wear this and pwede naman na ilagay lang sa purse if ever. Okay? So, kung meron pang mga ibang tanong, protection from evil eye, love bracelet. Okay, si love bracelet. And kay granter. Okay, nasan na? Ito si granter. Okay? So, yan. Just message me. Si granter po is, sa pangalan pa lang, alam nyo na, granter. Okay? Taga-grant. Okay? Ng inyong mga minamanifest. Yan, like that. So, yeah, just message me po. Ha? Message na lang po. Okay. So, air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay, anong meron? Pasensya na po ha. Oo, kung naririnig ninyo yung mga pukpukan sa paligid-ligid, naghahanda lang sila talaga sa bagyo daw. No, so yeah, be safe everybody. Okay, so air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Let's see. Okay, the moon. What's that? The judgment. Two of Cups. Somebody is feeling a deep emotions. They're being secretive. Okay? Pagdating sa feelings nila for you, they're hiding it. Okay? They're being secretive. Some of you, ang nakikita ko dito sa taong to, talagang they're into you, pero yeah, I don't know why. Kung bakit hindi ka or hindi nila pinapaalam to. Some of you, this is like mutual. If you have someone in mind na gusto mo, pwedeng ganun din sila pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, sandali lang po ha. Okay, so what else? Let's see. Okay. The Lovers in Reverse, the King of Cups. Kung sino man ito na hindi mo nakarelasyon ngayon, may nangyaring separation, they don't love you. Like, yeah, self-centered. They're self-centered. Iniisip lang nila sarili nila. Okay? Darating at darating yung araw na kakailanganin ka rin nito ulit. Hindi ko sinabing mamahalin ka, pero kakailanganin ka. Okay? Gemini, a water sign. See? The King of Wands in reversed. Kakailanganin ka lang nito ulit. Mamanipulahin ka. Okay, be careful. What else for air signs? Seven of Wands. Somebody talaga, air sign, is fighting their emotions pagdating sa'yo. Like they're, sabihin natin parang nilalabanan nila yung sarili talaga nila para hindi nila maramdaman yung emosyon na nararamdaman nila sa'yo. They're blocking their emotions for you, to you. Parang ganyan. Okay, Seven of Wands. Yeah, see? The Two of Cups. Yeah. The Eight of Wands, they're blocking. Binablock nila. Kung sino man to, anong meron sa kanila? Okay, anong meron dito sa taong to? Sino to? No, someone younger, maybe. Okay, the Page of Swords in reverse. This person is stalking you. Okay, this person is stalking you. The Four of Cups, the Eight of Swords. May pagka-loner itong taong to, I think. May pagka-silent itong taong to. maybe they're not used to it, like hindi sila sanay sa ganito. Okay, so that is why they're trying to block, no, their emotions pagdating sa iyo. Something, meron silang nararamdaman for you, pero hinaharangan nila sila mismo. Okay? Somebody from your past is still waiting for you. Still expecting. Okay? Still. Some of you have a friend na pwedeng mang-backstab sa'yo in the near future. Yeah. Pwedeng ka-work mo, kaklase mo. Okay, they will sabotage kung ano man ang meron. I don't know. Some of them may hindi makikipag-cooperate. Okay, like sabotage. Expect something big from them, pero babackstabin ka lang. I don't know. So, yun ang nakukuha ko for you. Air signs. Okay, what else? What else? Next, fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay. Again, huwag niyong pipilitin yung mensahe kung hindi inyo, ha? Okay? Huwag niyong pipilitin na i-fit yung sitwasyon nyo sa mga mensahe na maririnig. Okay? Wala akong binabanggit na pangalan dito. Okay? So, kung hindi iyo, hayaan nyo sa iba. Okay? Kung sa tingin mo hindi sa iyo yun, hayaan mo sa iba. Okay? So, fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. Oh, you have a stalker. Or maybe you're stalking someone. You're stalking an air sign maybe. Okay, what's with this Page of Swords, Universe? Or maybe, ni-stalk ka nga. The Nine of Wands. Iba sa inyo, itong taong to, pwedeng ina-avoid mo. Okay, and yeah, they're looking for you, they're searching you, maybe online. Okay? I don't know kung ano to. Yung iba sa inyo, parang may tinataguan. Or ikaw mismo ang tinataguan. May naghahanap eh. Okay? Why are they looking for you? Anong meron? Some of you, you're stalking someone lang talaga. Or maybe, some of you, you're not replying pagdating sa isang mensahe. Sinin mo lang. The moon. May iba sa inyo, may chance na may nag-message sa'yo. Okay? Pero hindi mo pa nababasa. Itong taong tong nag-i-stalk sa'yo, may chance na naku-curious sila. Okay? That's why. Yun lang, pinaka. Naku-curious lang sa'yo tong taong to. Eight of Pentacles. Some of you, may mga bagong plano na gagawin pagdating sa finance. The Nine of Swords. Iba sa inyo, magkakaroon ng kaunting issue ha, pagdating sa workplace, with your boss maybe, or sa kaperahan. Okay, what's with this Nine of Swords? The Nine of Swords. I think hindi naman ito ganoon na magiging permanent talaga. Like, dadaan lang naman. Okay, dadaan. Sabihin nating may kaunting paglagas, no? O pagdating sa kaperahan, or pwedeng magagamit mo yung naipon mo or something like that. Okay, magagalaw mo yung naipon mo kasi pwedeng hindi sapat kung ano man yung mga sabi nating pinaiikot mo lang, something like that. Pero hindi naman ito magtatagal. Okay? Yeah. So what else? Fire signs. Okay, Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Four of Pentacles in reversed. Okay, you have to save, okay? You have to save. Limit pagdating sa paggastos, iba sa inyo. Okay po. Yeah. Just save for the rainy days. Okay? Save for the rainy days. Yun lang. Yeah, see, the Ace of Pentacles. Pagdating sa kaperahan, may kauntian tayong sabihin nating pagbagal or pagbaba. Okay? So, just be sabihin nating maging aware. Okay? Sabihin nating maghanda, paghandaan if ever. Okay? So, nasa future naman to, so mapapaghandaan naman. Okay? So, kung kailangan yung mag-limit ng gastusin, do it. Okay, so there. Somebody's stalking you talaga. There's this heavy energy of someone who's stalking you. I don't know. They're like looking at your picture. Okay, somebody is meron like nagbabasa rin dito ng nagba-backread, like kung ano mga napag-usapan nyo before, bina-backread niya yun, inuulit-ulit niya yung convo nyo, like that. I don't know who. Next, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Anong message for you? Water signs. Okay. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. The Ace of Swords. Oh, some of you, there's this energy of answers, clarity. Someone will reach out, maybe. Okay. Promotion for some of you. Seven of Wands. Some of you, may nakikita ko ditong energy ng blackout, brownout, something like that. Okay? Yeah. Iba sa inyo, ang tawag dyan, mag-charge na. Okay? Yeah, mag-charge na. Something like that. Okay. There's this black message akong nakikita. Somebody wants to communicate, pero there's this blockage. I don't know if this is energetically blockage or typical or literal na block. Okay? They want to send you a message. Who's this ano tong Ace of Swords? Yeah, the Star in reversed. Are you avoiding somebody? They're like feeling hopeless pagdating dyan. Okay? Yeah, the Hermit. Are you ghosting somebody? Somebody wants to connect or somebody wants to talk. Pero they're feeling hopeless because maybe you are ignoring them. Kung sino man yung in-ignore mo, or meron ditong parang nakakaramdam ng parang may nangyayaring fallout. Something like, pwedeng hindi na nagiging maganda yung conversation or takbo ng convo or communication maybe. Okay? Yeah, the Ten of Wands. I don't know kung ano to. Okay? That's burden. What else? Somebody is skipping or ignoring the process of healing. Ten of Pentacles in reversed. What's that? Five of Cups. One of your family member is upset or will be. I don't know why. There's this energy of regrets, panghihinayang rin. Okay. Pagdating sa isang decision. Ano tong Ten of Pentacles in reversed? Yeah, the Empress in reverse. Maybe your mother or father or your father. Nabubulol ako. Mother or father figure. Somebody is feeling upset. Kamusta kaperahan mo, water sign? Okay. Kamusta ang kaperahan mo? Somebody is feeling dismayado or disappointed pagdating sa kung anong meron ka. I don't know, that's so specific. Somebody is feeling nila is parang wala silang magawa sa situation sa ngayon, like that. Anyway, I'm seeing here, I'm seeing here a miscarriage for some of you. Be aware. Okay, I'm getting an energy of bleeding here. Bleeding. Okay, ayaw natin nang may mawawala. Okay, so take some rest. Kung kailangan mo talagang bed rest ka, do it. Okay, prone yung iba dito sa miscarriage. I'm sorry, pero I have to say it. Okay, kasi para maiwasan rin. Okay, somebody is sabihin din natin parang dumaranas na rin ng ganun sa ngayon, like may nangyaring miscarriage. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay. Four of Swords. Somebody needs to rest. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. What else? Somebody is so upset dahil wala na raw nangyayari sa kaperahan nila. Hindi na nagkakaroon ng growth or improvement. Four of Pentacles in reversed. What's that? The Hanged Man in reversed. Some of you, meron kayong mga iaalis sa bahay, like declutter, parang ganyan. May mga iaalis. I don't know if this is talking about fixing things, fixing stuff, pagdating sa house. May mga itatapon rin, mga bagay na hindi na masyadong pinagagamit. Oh, the Fool, para mapaltan. Okay? Some of you, I'm seeing here energy of, ang tawag dyan, renovation. Okay? Renovation. Something na mayroong kailangang, ang tawag dito, pagkagastusan para may mapalitan. See, the Ten of Swords. Okay? Para may mabago. Okay? So, yun ang aking nakikita for you, water signs. Anyway, okay. So, next, Earth signs. Okay. So, what's for you, Earth signs? Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. What's for you, Earth signs? Okay. Ooh. Ayan na naman siya. Si Page of Swords. Bidang-bida yan sa lahat ng sign. Lumabas siya sa lahat ng sign, I guess. Okay. The Page of Swords. The Six of Pentacles. Somebody wants a reply. Somebody wants to get your attention. Who is this Page of Swords? Who is this? Some of you, you'll get a message sa pwedeng pinag-applyan mo. Okay? Some of you, you'll get accepted or parang about loans, something like that. Page of Swords, please. Who's this? The Nine of Swords in reversed. Some of them, ang pinapakita nila, kung sino man tong gustong makausap ka, is parang totally hindi naman sila ganoon na nagki-crave, okay? Pero they want to talk. Yeah. They want to communicate. So, may loan ako nakikita rito. Okay, Four of Pentacles. What's this? You need to save. Queen of Cups in reverse. Some of you, there's this earth or water sign who is holding back their true emotions for you. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Cups. Some of them, nasa circle nyo lang to. Circle of friends. Like that. Okay? And the King of Pentacles. Maybe some of you have this person, pwedeng a businessman or a businesswoman who is in love with you. They're in love with you. They love you. They like you maybe. Yeah, see the Empress. They like you. Pwedeng Capricorn like you. Fellow Capricorn. Fellow Earth sign. Pero they know how to make healthy boundaries. Okay? Hindi niya parang ipapahalata sa'yo na they're into you. Magaling silang magtago. Okay? What else for your earth signs? Some of you, ikaw itong parang magiging practical pagdating sa kaperahan. Meron kang mga sacrifice na gagawin para lang makapag-save ka. Okay. Ten of Swords in reversed. What's that? The Moon. Ano tong paulit-ulit sa isipan mo? There's this something. This is so specific. Hindi to para sa lahat. Iba sa inyo, parang meron kayo napapanaginipan like paulit-ulit. Okay? Some of you be aware. Okay? Or sabihin natin, maging mapagmatsyag kayo sa mga napapanaginipan. Okay? There's this sign maybe. May mga signs na ibinibigay si universe sa'yo. Okay? Somebody can't sleep. They can't sleep. Hindi sila makatulog. I don't know. Okay? Strength. Somebody needs you. Somebody. Leo, Pisces, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Somebody is mirroring you. If you are holding back, they are holding back. They need you. They want to see you. Some of you, Some of you, pwedeng kung sino man to, nagkikita kayo sa 5D. Ano po yung 5D? Sa panaginip. Kung sino man to. If you are not talking in person, okay, in person, kung hindi kayo nagko-contact nito, sa 5D kayo nagko-contact. Yeah. Doon nangyayari yung action. Doon nangyayari yung usapan. Somebody wants to connect. Hindi makakonect sa physical. Okay? So, sa panaginip na lumalabas. That's deep. That's deep. So, somebody needs to hear that. Okay? If you're dreaming of somebody, like paulit-ulit, or sabihin natin, lagi na lang siyang nandun sa panaginip mo or what, yeah, may something. Yep. Okay? So, yeah, there. Yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.